In this video, we're going to cover the goal of an interview, what makes a good interview, and how to make sure your interview is a good one. So, what is the goal of an interview? If you're being interviewed, that means the company you're interviewing with has a need that they need to fulfill. They have tasks that are too much for one person and they're looking for someone else to help them with those tasks. And they're afraid that if they hire the wrong person, then that person won't be able to do the job or won't fit with the culture. If that happens, they'll have to start the interview process all over again. They'll have to drudge through more candidates, finally pick another one, and hope that that new person won't also be the wrong person. Since we know the fears of the interviewer, now we can take a look at what makes a good interview. A good interview will make the interviewer excited to talk to you again. They'll enjoy talking to you and feel like that you are competent enough to do the job. Does that mean you need to know everything? No. But that does mean that they'll want you to be confident enough in yourself and your skills to tackle anything related to networking, even if you don't know the answer now. You'll really know the interview is a good one if you can teach them something they didn't know or didn't think about before the interview. Research the company and the job, and look for the latest tech news that may affect the company, its projects, or its problems. If the job description used words and terms like TCP/IP, BGP, DHCP, and MPLS, you should also be using those terms. Even better if the interviewer is also using that language and you mirror their language. Mirroring is a great way to build rapport with the person interviewing you. Also, people love talking about themselves, so make sure you stay curious about them and have plenty of questions for them. If you can, ask about the problems and projects you'll be working on if you get hired and think of solutions on the spot, or send them in a follow-up email after the interview. That will greatly help to show your competence. So, to recap, the goal of an interview is to find the right person for a job. Companies are afraid of hiring the wrong person because it means they'll have to start the process all over again. A good interview leaves the interviewer excited to talk to you again. They should feel that you're competent and confident in your skills, even if you don't know everything. The best interviews are ones where you can teach the interviewer something new. This could be about the latest tech news or something specific to the company or job. Using the same language as the job description and the interviewer can help build rapport. This is called mirroring. People enjoy talking about themselves, so asking the interviewer questions can make the interview more enjoyable for them. If possible, ask about the problems and projects you'll be working on if you get hired. Thinking of solutions on the spot or in a follow-up email can show your competence. And remember, the goal is not just to get the job, but to make the interviewer excited to work with you. In the next video, we'll look at how to answer interview questions.